Unlocking the doors to financial success is a pivotal and life-altering goal that has the potential to open a world of opportunities and dreams. Whether you aspire to own a dream home, launch a thriving business, or envision a serene retirement, this comprehensive guide is your trusty compass to not only achieving financial success, but excelling on your unique journey. Stick around to the end, where we'll unveil additional tips and tricks to supercharge your path to prosperity. In the following sections, we will delve deep into a wealth of effective and transformative strategies, empowering you to chart a course toward financial security and abundance. Our journey will span a vast landscape, covering every aspect of financial wellness, from setting crystal-clear financial goals to crafting meticulous budgets, conquering the formidable challenge of debt, and ultimately harnessing the potent power of investments to secure a brighter and more prosperous financial future. How to get ahead financially. 1. Set clear. Financial goals. The very first step in your financial voyage involves the establishment of well-defined objectives that will serve as the guiding stars of your financial roadmap. Whether you aspire to become a homeowner within the next 5 years, envision a comfortable and serene retirement in 3 decades' time, or aim to liberate yourself from the shackles of student loan debt within the span of a decade. These goals are the bedrock upon which your entire financial plan is built. 2. Craft a thoughtful budget. A meticulously structured budget is the cornerstone of financial prudence. It empowers you to scrutinize your income and expenses with surgical precision, ensuring that you never find yourself in the precarious position of spending more than you earn. A plethora of budgeting methodologies are at your disposal, each tailored to suit various preferences and lifestyles. The key is to discover the one that resonates most deeply with your unique circumstances and then commit to it with unwavering determination. 3. Tackle debt strategically. The weight of high-interest debt can act as a formidable anchor, impeding your progress towards financial freedom. Consequently, it is crucial to develop a comprehensive and well-thought-out strategy for repaying your debts. This could entail prioritizing the settlement of high-interest debts, or adopting a systematic approach by allocating equitable payments across all your financial obligations. 4. Cultivate regular savings. It's astonishing how even the smallest monthly contributions can accumulate into substantial financial assets over time. Therefore, it is imperative to establish an automated savings plan facilitated by setting up direct deposits from your paycheck into a designated savings account. This simple act ensures that you consistently allocate a portion of your earnings towards building a financial safety net. 5. Venture into investments. Once you have successfully managed your debt and built an emergency fund, the next logical step is to explore the realm of investments. Investments have the power to grow your wealth exponentially over time, provided they are approached with careful consideration. To make informed investment decisions, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor who can guide you in selecting investment options that align seamlessly with your financial objectives. 6. Embrace living below your means. Living within or even below your means is a fundamental tenet of financial prudence. By making judicious financial choices and trimming unnecessary expenses, you fortify the foundations of your financial house, ensuring that it remains sturdy and resilient against unexpected challenges. 7. Boost your income. While effective expense management is crucial, increasing your income is another compelling avenue to financial success. Seek opportunities to negotiate salary raises, explore lucrative side hustles, or actively scout for higher-paying job positions. Each of these endeavors can significantly expedite your journey towards achieving financial independence. As mentioned above, here are some additional strategies for financial success. Avoid impulse purchases. The art of discernment is paramount when it comes to making purchases. Prior to acquiring an item, it is advisable to pause and reflect upon its true necessity and the value it adds to your life. This reflection ensures that each purchase is a thoughtful investment of your hard-earned resources. Shop smart. The Savvy Shopper's Rulebook includes the practice of comparison shopping to unearth the most favorable deals. Additionally, the judicious use of coupons and promo codes can be harnessed to maximize savings during your shopping excursions. Cook at home. Dining out frequently can be an exorbitant expense. Consequently, it is prudent to shift towards a habit of preparing meals at home more frequently. Not only does this save money, but it also offers the satisfaction of culinary creativity. Explore free activities. Communities offer an array of free activities and events that can be a source of both entertainment and enrichment. By taking advantage of these opportunities, you can enjoy yourself while simultaneously preserving your financial resources. Reduce unnecessary debt. High-interest debt can be particularly burdensome, therefore, it is crucial to prioritize paying off such debts. Moreover, you may explore debt consolidation options to streamline your payments and reduce the financial burden imposed by interest charges. Plan for retirement. Initiating your retirement savings early is a practice that cannot be emphasized enough. The sooner you embark on this journey, the more time your investments have to grow and secure your financial future during your retirement years. Seek professional advice. It's important to recognize that navigating the complex world of personal finance can be challenging at times. When faced with uncertainty or complex financial decisions, do not hesitate to consult a qualified financial advisor. These professionals possess the expertise to assist you in creating a personalized budget, formulating a robust financial plan, and selecting investment strategies that are perfectly aligned with your unique financial objectives. Achieving financial success is an attainable goal that demands unwavering commitment and a patient allocation of time. By embracing and implementing the invaluable tips and strategies outlined above, you are embarking on a transformative journey towards not just financial security, but also the potential for abundance and prosperity. It is imperative to bear in mind that your financial journey is not a solitary one. Millions of individuals worldwide are earnestly striving for financial success as well. To maintain your determination and stay steadfast in your pursuit of financial success, it is crucial to remind yourself that the path to financial independence begins with these fundamental steps. With patience, perseverance, and a relentless commitment to your financial goals, you can forge a brighter, more prosperous financial future for yourself and your loved ones. As you navigate this voyage towards financial freedom, remember that the journey itself can be immensely rewarding, filled with opportunities for personal growth, resilience, and ultimately, unparalleled financial achievement. This will lead to you becoming a business champion.